Lulu's Tiger Life. So today, the cousins are already here, but not the cousins. Just Colin.
Yes, Uncle Colin is here, but not your cousins.
We're gonna make Rice Krispie treats
Yes.
with marshmallow in them.
Yay, yummy, yummy.
We're going to melt we're gonna melt the marshmallows first. Right, Mommy?
Yes. So here's what we're gonna do.
And then we're gonna freeze them in the refrigerator for like 1 minute.
Oh, well no, we're not gonna freeze them, but we're gonna open them up and put them in this pan.
Yep.
And then what do you think is gonna happen?
They're gonna cook. They're gonna melt.
Yes.
Look, I wanna do this.
Okay, you can drop it in. Here. You wanna drop
I'll
those
do
in?
it.
Okay. Woo.
Oh. Whoa.
Shake them in. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
That's enough.
Okay, you might have to take them out with your hands.
Okay. Because you have to pop and it's going to take a long time.
Okay. Okay, while you do
Can
that.
I put them in the bowl and
Oh no, this is for the Rice Krispies.
where are the Rice Krispies?
They're right over here.
Ooh.
Look at this big box of Rice Krispies. We have plenty.
I'm gonna pour them out on the table.
Okay, and then you can put them in the pan.
Okay. Shake. That's what Penguin Tiger said.
Is it? Oh, I didn't know that. Here, let's take them out like this.
Oh my god. Oh my, I did. Oh my. I almost did.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Now, when they start to melt, we're gonna have to stir them.
Okay, I'll
But
stir
they're
it.
not melting yet. So you open the Rice Krispies while I get the pan ready, okay? And then
Open it. Oh, they're already open.
and then pour Rice Krispies in this bowl up to the top. Is it open? Okay. Right.
You have to make a lot to get a pop.
Yes. So we need 6 cups, I think. Or maybe, I don't know, there's more. More. There. Okay, now can you close it back up?
We need more. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, you're starting to burn.
I forgot to start stirring that. Okay.
They
I
might
have some
stick
of this
around.
ghee spray that we're going to spray in there just so it won't be burning so much. Okay.
Is that for food?
Yes, that's to eat.
Blah. It smells yuck. I'm not getting that way there. I'm putting that way there.
I'm going to turn my stove down and we're going to spray this pan like this, okay?
Oh!
Is that, what? Is that
Really? It's hot.
Oh, it is hot.
I'm burning.
And then, oh, you know what we're missing? Butter.
Butter.
Oh, I forgot. Don't touch the pan. Stay right there. Stay right there.
Burn.
Don't move, Lou.
Burn.
Just because.
It's hot. We need this. Never mind. You said, I said never mind in the car.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, you did.
Never mind.
Never mind.
Hey. This is what Dakota did.
Here.
Hey,
What
guys.
did Dakota say?
I did the same thing like Dakota. Look, guys.
What did you say?
No, I did the same thing like Dakota. She said that. I did the same thing.
And what did she say?
Pat.
What did she say when she did it?
She said, I'm a brand person, and she
melting the marshmallows with the butter.
Because we're gonna make Rice Krispies.
We almost burnt these marshmallows because I didn't put the butter in with it. But I don't remember how much butter we're supposed to put in. I think 6 tablespoons. You know what? I'm just guessing.
I made a hole.
There's the recipe. It's right there. Oh, 3 tablespoons of butter. Oh, I put too much butter in there. Let me take it out. Okay, I'm gonna take out what didn't melt. I don't want too much, although I don't know if you can get too much butter. Do you think?
No.
You can't get too much butter?
No. You can't.
Okay.
You can.
So.
I think it's enough melting some of that butter.
Well, we're gonna have to melt these marshmallows all the way. My stove gets really hot.
They will still be
So
yummy.
I have to hold the pan up.
They will still be yummy.
Yes. And then after it melts, we're gonna put.
I see a little bit of butter in there.
Yes.
Oh, that's hot.
Are Rice Krispie Treats your favorite?
Yeah.
And so you like that?
Yo. Yes, they are.
You're starting school tomorrow?
Yeah, get out my backpack.
Yay! You want to show your backpack on the video?
Yeah.
Okay, get your backpack. It's right there.
Okay.
She's using her backpack from 2 years ago. She's used it for, this will be the 3rd year she's used this little backpack.
You have to close your eyes.
Okay.
Are you?
Y'all close your eyes.
Are you guys closing your eyes?
Okay, you can go ahead and show it.
Here is my backpack.
Yay!
I bring my toy.
She's got her doll in there, and what's this?
That's my school one.
So you're
I'm
gonna.
gonna drink some more wine.
Okay. Oh, here, you want to put the Rice Krispies in? It's ready. I have to turn the burner off so it doesn't burn. Here's put the Rice Krispies in. Can you pick this up?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa.
Whoa. I want to stir it.
Okay. Really look at that. I want to touch the pan. It's hot.
Oh, yeah. Cut. Oh, it's yummy.
Yeah. I don't want to get them on the burner, but okay.
Bam.
Okay, you can stir some more.
Put it right there so it.
Okay,
so
well let me
hot.
get a pot holder to put it there.
Pot her.
And then we'll stir it over here. Stay away from that stove, okay?
Oh,
I'm gonna see where the video is.
I have to stir slowly.
Yes.
Slowly so it will come out. I want you to stir.
Oh, you want me to stir now?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you gonna take your lunch tomorrow to school?
Yeah.
You are. Do you know what mommy's gonna pack for you?
What?
I don't know.
Maybe Rice Krispies.
Maybe. Do you want to take one to take in your lunch?
Yeah!
Okay. Olive and Matilda can have one too.
First, the Rice Krispies have to be like a shape.
Oh yeah. Right. We're gonna put them in this pan and then mash them down so they'll be squares.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that?
Like this.
Okay.
Look, you do this and this side. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Look, you do the bottom too.
Yep. That's what we'll do.
Yeah.
Look.
Okay, you're almost done.
Yeah, I think we are done.
Yeah.
Okay.
The
Now.
Rice Krispies have to be outside, and the marshmallows have to be inside.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, because that was hot. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the secret. Because if you touch it with your hands to mash it down, it'll stick all over your hands. So I'm going to get wax paper.
Why are you going to put it in there?
Oh no, I'll show you. I'm gonna put that in there. And I'm gonna spray the wax paper.
Stinky.
Okay, and then we're gonna.
It stinks
Okay.
just like a cow.
Okay, help me put that in the pan. Okay. Here's a
What?
spoon.
What?
We're gonna put this in here.
Okay, and mash.
Okay, here we go.
Go away!
Here it goes. Too much and taste burn.
It will still taste good. It smells good.
Yeah, I think so.
Don't smell it.
You know what else you can do?
Smell the pan.
You know what else you can do with Rice Krispies? You can get half white and half chocolate.
Okay, let me smash. Smash.
Well, here's what we're gonna do.
I'm not going to eat it because it's hot. You have to let it cool down.
Okay, the part that we sprayed, we're gonna put that down on the Rice Krispies. And here's what you do, Lou. Now you can mash it with your hands.
Mash.
Oh, show them your pretty purple fingernails. She got her fingernails painted with
But
mommy.
not this one. Because it's hurt.
Oh, because you have a Band-Aid on.
I'm
I have a
gonna
Band-Aid too.
I'm going to show you it. See? There it goes.
She has a little boo-boo right there.
Yes.
Do you want the Band-Aid back on?
No.
Okay, mash that down like this.
And Tuda grabbed the soap out of my hand, and there was a focusing gear, and then it had a bump there.
Oh, is that what scratched you?
Yeah. Bump.
Don't they feel warm?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, mash down here.
Okay, that's how it is.
Mash over here and get that down. Because you want to get it all even. Well.
Oh, it's out. It's off.
Uh-oh.
It was, and now it's not.
And then after it gets cold, Lou, then we will cut it in squares.
Okay.
Okay?
I want to. With a little one.
Okay. Now put your hands up. Look. You don't have any on your hands. Yay. Okay, now take this off. Look.
It's not sticky.
No, and there's your Rice Krispie Treats.
Wait, we forgot to do that.
Oh, that's okay. That's all right.
Wait,
Now,
wait, look, there's marshmallows right there.
that's okay. It'll taste good.
Yeah.
Now, we could probably use your spoon just to mash this part down. Okay? Let that cool, and then we will cut it in squares, and then we'll put it in a plastic bag so you can take some to school.
Hey, you can do two.
Talk to the video, Lou. How many are you going to take?
I'm going to take two.
2?
Yeah.
Are you going to share it with Olive and Matilda?
Yeah.
You think? Yeah.
I'm going to split it apart.
Yeah. Is that,
I'm going to have
okay, we can eat some of this. It's cooled off now. So that's what we like to do, is eat off the spoon. You're not going to tell them that we have this?
Yeah.
Oh. So you're not going to share it?
No, I'm not going to tell them, but I am going to tell them.
Oh, okay. It's going to be a surprise. Okay.
It's here, but not the kids. Oh, Colin, leave. Sorry. Okay.
Okay, we're going to cut them into squares.
Okay.
Yeah, do this and then push down. Now you can only do this when the knife's not real sharp.
Yeah.
Now,
We're gonna make a big
I
square.
sprayed the knife too. See the spray? Wouldn't stick to the Rice Krispie Treats.
I'm gonna wrap them up for our lunches. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, we washed our hands off because we're going to be touching these. So we're going to get some plastic wrap.
Why?
And we're going to wrap some of these up for their lunches tomorrow.
It looks like there's rainbows on them.
Yeah, because tomorrow is your first day of school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're going to save the rest for later.
Yeah, wrap it up all around.
No, I mean we're not, because I want to eat a little,
You can eat some. I'll let you eat some. So we're going to wrap, that one can be for you. Is that one going to be for you?
No, I want the pieces in there for me.
Okay.
I want this piece for me.
You want that one for you?
And that one for Toda and get another.
Okay, now wrap that one up. So wrap this up over here.
This one is going to be for me.
And then wrap it this way.
Yeah.
And this other side.
No, I want to do this.
Okay. There. Okay. There's one. Okay, put it over there. You're gonna.
That's mine.
Okay, that one's
I'm
yours.
going to eat this.
At school.
No, I'm going to get.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
You can have another one, Lulu, before
Yeah.
school. Okay. Who's this one gonna be for?
To Ollie.
Okay.
And this one's going to be for me. And that one's going to be.
Okay, and we'll write your name on it.
I really want to eat one already.
Okay, I'll cut you another one to eat.
Okay. I want to wrap it up and then put it on. And then open up.
And then eat it.
Yeah.
Now, you're gonna pretend like you're at school.
Yep.
Okay, so tomorrow you're gonna be sitting down to eat lunch. And then you're gonna eat your whatever mommy packs for you. And then you're gonna eat this later. Oh, Lou, stop.
Okay.
Okay, wrap it up.
Okay. Yeah, I want to eat this one.
Okay. Do you want to wrap it up first?
Yeah, I really want a big piece.
You want more?
No, I want a big piece.
I mean, so more in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want a big piece. Yeah.
There we go.
I like this.
Okay, wrap it
It's
up.
a big piece, so you have to do this side because it's a big, humongous piece.
Okay, now you can eat it.
Oh yeah, let's go on the table.
So we're gonna finish cutting these. So tell everybody thumbs up.
Thumbs up, hit the bell,
Here.
subscribe to our Kason.
Yes, and subscribe.
Subscribe, hit the
There
bell.
won't- Okay.
It worked.
Yay! There won't be that many videos coming
Hit
out.
the bell.
Maybe 2 a week.
Get a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our Kason.